Hi guys, in my last video I told you about how to install Trust Wallet and create an account. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add T-Life coin in your Trust Wallet, and let me tell you the complete procedure. And with that procedure you will able to find T-Life coin, you will able to add T-Life coin in the Trust Wallet. So let me take you there. First you need to come back to the Trust Wallet which you created. Then enter your passcode which you created before creating this account. Now what you have to do, you have to add tokens. You have to click on the add tokens, what you see over here. After click on the add token, then you need to click on the plus icon which you see the right side of the top corner, and just click on this. Here you need to, before it, first you need to change the network. This is Ethereum, but you need to change into BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So this is BNB Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain, because this T-Life coin is based on the BNB Smart Chain. And let me show you the contact address. Where can you find it? First you need to search T-Life. Just search T-Life BSC scan. You need to click over here, T-Life coin tracker. This is the address of 8 decimals which you need to copy by clicking on the icon of copy. Just copy. Now this address has been copied. Now you need to come back to the Trust Wallet. This is your Trust Wallet, and you need to paste this over here. This is Trust Wallet. First make sure that you're changing the network. Network should be BNB Smart Chain, it means Binance Smart Chain. Now you need to paste it, and this address has been pasted. Now it's showing each and every detail of this coin, T-Life coin, and symbol T-Life, decimals it's showing 8, and you can see the decimal over here, and this is with 8 decimals. And this is BSC scan where you can find the address of T-Life coin. Okay, make sure that you are able to find it. Now click on save button. Just click on save. Now you can transfer your T-Life coin. You can see this T-Life coin over here. And how can you, and where can you find this address of T-Life coin? Now you can, if you want to transfer from T-Life to Trust Wallet, you can find it. You can click on receive, and you will see the address and a QR code. In my next video I'm going to tell you how to transfer the T-Life from T-Life website to Trust Wallet. I hope this video gonna help you a lot. Thank you so much.